Hello, are you just moving your clutter around? Some people have fooled themselves into thinking that when they declutter, they're simply able to move things around, and it's the same old clutter because they're afraid to, don't want to, don't like to, don't think they can get rid of stuff, but you can. You know, I made a video one time called What If You Could, and it's worth watching. But what if you could get rid of it? What would your house look like? So today I want you to think, how many times do you move it around? How many more times are you going to tap it together, square it up, and put it over there, just to have it spread over here and over there and up there? How many times are you going to wrap it with a cord and stick it here? How many times are you going to put the lid on it and stick it there? How many times are you going to straighten out the books and leave them there when they really need to go? I hope you make it a great day.